Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Gcash and confirming you're logged in on your main account. This guarantees the app will process payments. Make sure you have enough balance or a linked bank or card ready, and enable camera and internet access so the scanner works reliably. Once done, tap Pay QR at the home screen and point your camera toward the merchant QR code, keeping the phone about 6 to 12 inches away so the code fills the frame and the app can read it quickly. After the QR reads, you'll see the merchant name and possibly a prefilled amount. Check those immediately so you pay the intended recipient. If the amount isn't prefilled, type it in, add a note or invoice number when needed, and double-check for typos. Small mistakes cause disputes. Next, pick your payment source, Gcash balance, a linked debit/credit card, or a bank, because the selected source affects processing and potential fees, and then tap Confirm to proceed with authorization. To finish, authorize the payment using your MPIN or biometric method. Sometimes you'll need an OTP for added security, so watch for that. Once the transaction completes, save the on-screen receipt or take a screenshot and ask the merchant to confirm their system shows the payment. If something goes wrong, like scan failure or declined payment, retry scanning, restart the app, confirm your balance and internet, and only then contact Gcash.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.